Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this BMW 5 Series. So from any screen we select Sat Nav, which is the one on the right just forward of the iDrive. Then you've got the map, so we click once, that's just highlighting these icons at the side, but if we click again, you've then got a menu, destination input, click that. Country and postcode, so we want postcode. It's the wheel, which is the easiest one. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Right, now we need the numbers. So that was letters, so we're down to the numbers, and it says further characters there. So we'll tick there, and we're on to the numbers. 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters, J, S, and then click OK in the middle. It's just got OK highlighted. And we can scroll down to start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat on the forecourt and have confused it, but that's how you set the Sat Nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.